How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to lift or remove the parental controls set on Fortnite Chapter 5. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So I should just say that this method works for whatever platform you guys are on, be it PC, Xbox, Chromebook, or PlayStation 5, whatever. This should work just fine. And if you guys were looking to like lift the parental controls and maybe get rid of the profanity filter or have access to more suggestive skins, then this is the way to do it. So it's quite simple, and it's the same step for every platform you guys are on. You just want to log into your Epic Games account and navigate to the parental controls tab. So the way it works is, as you can see, you can modify any parental control setting by signing into your Epic account. So you can do this either on the launcher, if you guys are on PC, so Epic Account Portal, or going into the Fortnite parental controls menu and selecting parental controls. So what this is asking you to do is basically just log into your Epic account and navigate to parental controls, where you'll be able to enter your 6-digit PIN at the prompt. So basically just follow the on-screen instructions, and once you're past that, you're ready to proceed to the configuration page where you get to turn off this setting. Now, this should work no matter what platform you guys are on. If you guys are on the website like me, just log into your Epic account and navigate to parental controls, and you can pretty much do this. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.